Not the nicest day today, but I've just got off Chertsey from a bus. Boy, it's growing now. Look at this, ladies and gentlemen. That is peaking up now, and you can actually see a piece of track is halfway up. That's getting interesting now. You have to look at this view now, this is mad. Even just walking a little bit further, you can actually start to see, it's not a good day today, but on a blue sky, but you can actually just see the track halfway up now. So literally that bit there where they put in recently. I've been here for a while, a good few days now, but yeah, look at that. This is just really getting started now, ladies and gentlemen. From that bridge, when I was on the bus over towards Chertsey and seen that, that shows how high this thing is going to be. It's actually got a name, Hyperia is going to be, should I say. But the drop section from the top of the lift hill, we're halfway, we're definitely halfway. I think when I was doing my last update, it looked like it was halfway point, but yeah, we're heading to that point now. And I just want to see what they else have done in the last few days for you. But anyway, you're going to see it today. Oh, literally can't wait for holiday. I'm getting tired, but I love doing this. But when the whole wide track and supports up, there will be very much less content than normally are. It's only because I'm loving this. And till that day finishes, that'll be it until I go to ride it. And that will be very soon. Public footpath, Monk's Walk, and look already. Found a massive puddle and struggled what to do. Don't like it, I don't like it, I don't like it. Oh my goodness. Oh, these are new trousers I bought. They're quite long because I ripped my trousers the other day. And that's only because I was working the other day and it was ripped halfway through the day, and that was not funny. Well, yeah, it was at the end of the day, but thankfully I got home and I was like, that's a bit cold. Look at it. As it's been a few days since I last did an update, I just thought, let's give it a few days and relax if I can, which I had other things as well, but I think I did the right thing, give it a few days. And the drop section though, it's actually big in person from Monk's Walk. When you see pictures, you just know what's kind of gone, well, what's gone up basically, but when you actually down a public footpath, Monk's Walk, it's just, you have to look a little bit higher now. I'd have to look up a bit more. And now, the station's pretty much there really, we've just got to do the staircase now for here. But yeah, look at it. Mac right box there, lovely. This view of the drop here is another scale of new level. Oh, it's beautifully done how it's designed. But yeah, just think how fast that's going to be down. That's the fastest point. Once you've done a lift hill, that just takes you around so high. So yes, they are actually around where the lift hill base is there, where we're going to be going straight up at some point and seeing it very soon. I just can't believe we are weeks away to see things put into place. It's not been long since they put this in, good couple of weeks now, the unique twist bank. But this is going to be some size of it. Ladies and gentlemen, you know this. Look, we can see plants sticking up. Yes! The first drop is really getting me excited now. It's the way I'm looking up a bit more now. I'm sure many of you could agree, but most people come down the Monk's Walk down there. Where you see it now, well, hopefully you get to see it, it does make you look up a bit more. And that's not quite there yet. I think we're over halfway, just a bit of halfway now, that's for sure. But that drop, the twist, oh my goodness. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I can see track. That's a go up shortly, I reckon. That's back to at some point. So yeah, I'm going to keep an eye around here for now. The track's moving, the track's moving! It's still going up, it's still going up! Good lord! And yes, here we go again. Not sure if that's the right one. Oh well. Right then, take 2, like always.
Take 2, hopefully I get it this time.
Yeah, hopefully we get it all in.
It looks like the same on the track.
Come on, lift it up. Just think, on a blue sky day, you could actually see this properly on a nice day. But you can still see, but the weather in the last 24 hours has been awful. Wow, was it bad yesterday? I forgot. If I can show you something in a minute, which has made my day a bit disaster, because it looks like I'm going back to Primark, because let me see this. Good Lord! Honestly, just look at this. This drop is still getting me now. Just think, by next week, could we see more of that going up? I think at some point as well, we might be getting bigger crane. And that is this third last inversion of piece of track they've done. I reckon we've got 2 more. We're on the third last piece of track. So you've got track there to connect to, if I can zoom it quickly, just there. So I reckon 2 more or 3 more piece of track to go to complete the inversion. And then this beast of a ride of a drop and lift till begins. I'll tell you what, that was worth the wait. Now I'm hungry. I really want to get some food. I've got 10 minutes to get my bus. So yeah, go have a Chinese buffet and then come back in a while. So without further ado, yum yum, Chinese buffet. So excited for this. Every time I come down here, anything I see anything good from this Monk's Walk, I always treat myself. Either Monday at Wetherspoons, I treat myself a few beers because it's Monday club deals with beers, or anything exciting like today, seeing truck going up on the highest point or anything exciting, I go wow, I go treat myself like a Chinese buffet. So I'm gonna have a Chinese buffet and I come back later, which you will see, and treat myself to the pub. Why not? You know, gotta enjoy it, you gotta enjoy it. I'll nearly fall over then, good Lord. Money! Yum yum. Yeah. Oh, that was good. Time to go back to Monk's Walk. You can see people at the top as well. Look at that. People are working on this. Oh, there's actually support going in actually. Good Lord. Oh, look at that, look at that. A mini crane carrying a metal structure for the exit ride. Amazing. Another support has just gone up. Now look at this. I can't believe how much we've got now going on. I genuinely cannot believe it. I generally cannot believe I'm saying this. Within the last 5 minutes, they've started to put up already half of the exit metal structure of an exit part of the ride. Here we go. Oh wow! Well, this is something you don't see every day from here. And that is your update for today. Oh, very nice. Be sure to subscribe to see more. And can't wait for my holiday next week during half term. Everybody's out because I need a break a little bit. But the golden moment starts, and it starts right here. But you have a good day, have a good one. It's only going to get bigger. See you later.